Hey guys, it's Mylaya here at IT Supplies, and today we're gonna print on a nice hoodie. So this is a Bella Canvas DTG fleece, 70% by 30%. So 70% cotton, 30% polyester hoodie. We're only gonna print on the top half, and then you'll see a video later about us printing on our pockets. But for this hoodie, I pre-treated it already, I heat pressed it, and now I am going to sleeve dress it on the platen here. So what you'll see is I am going to lower it a little bit and I'm going to put this in. My pocket is sitting up here, but it's not going to be an issue for us because we're only going to print within this print area. If you know that you're going to print inside of, you need a better print space to print in, you can use a smaller platen with a larger garment and you'll be fine. And I'll show you how to do that as well. So I am going to go ahead and place my hoop on here. I have my garments on a level 3 just because it's thicker and you want to be as close to the print head as possible, but you don't want to be too close where the machine starts beeping at you, which we all know can be a little annoying. So now I'm going to go ahead and press start, and we're going to talk a little bit more about the printer. So now what you're going to see is when we went in, we actually printed on a level 5 just because we do have a thicker garment that we're working with and it's not 100% cotton. So a lot of people ask the question, oh, if it's not 100% cotton, do I have to use my polyester pre-treat? No. Only time you're going to use the EPSON polyester pre-treat is on 100% polyester garments. This is a 70 by 30. We're safe because it has majority cotton in it. So this has been pre-treated really, really well. We bumped up our white density to make sure that we are going to have a bold, solid white that comes out here because it is just a white and red image that we're making right now. Now we are ready to heat set our image, guys. Slide it off. I'm going to lay it right on top here. Everything is laying flat. One of my strings are inside my hoodie. I'm going to use a silicone parchment paper again to protect my heat press. Lay it right on top. And we're going to go for 60 seconds at 340 degrees using medium pressure and the Stahl's Hotronic heat press. Now I have a gray and white vibrant shirt, well, hoodie. Let's see how it looks, friends. One second, I forgot something. Now I'm styling. Thanks so much for watching this. If you would like to see more of these videos, please go to our YouTube channel.